Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to KT Garage. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, time to make some noise and wake up the neighbors. This is part 5 of the Humvee project. Today's plan, I'm going to fill in the gap with the 2x2, just like what we talked about the other day. And after that, I'm gonna deal with the other side, same thing. The problem with doing these type of vehicles, you gotta do everything twice, right? You get a left and a right side. So I'm gonna try to get this one done, get the other one done, and then we're gonna move on to something next. I'm gonna let you know, I don't know what it is. There's so many things that I need to get done. So we'll keep you updated throughout the day. So I'm about to split the 2x2 tubing, and I decided to use a different cutting tool. This is a Miller metal cutting tool, metal cutting saw, and it has diamond blades on them. Not sure I can open up and show to you guys. Yeah, so you can see these blades are inserted with carbide cutting tool, so they're extremely hard and very reliable, real nice, easy to cut. The only problem is this is like super loud, so if the neighbor hasn't gotten up by now, they will when they hear this. I'm going to go ahead and make that cut. It cuts through metal like butter, but it does great a lot of cuttings, so a lot of cleanup using this method, but it does cut a real nice and straight line. So I'm going to go ahead and flip over and cut the other side. I'm going to use another tool for the rest of the process. This is a chop saw, also using cold cutting blades, just like the other saw. This one chop into smaller pieces, makes it real nice and easy to cut because they're extremely accurate, and that's what I need. So I'm going to use this for the rest of the process of chopping into individual pieces. This is as loud as the other one, unfortunately, but I'm going to get right to it. Cut a piece to fit the horizontal slot, and luckily these 2-inch that I cut out of the car from the plasma cutter, I can use that to weld the ends. Of course, cut it off, and then I make a nice rectangular recess. So that's the plan. I'm gonna go ahead and get the first one on there, see how it looks, and then I'm gonna finish the rest. takes a lot longer than I thought it would to create these rectangular recess and weld it to the body. I got 3 done so far. Now I'm making the horizontal pieces. These has to be this got to be fitted custom for each one to slot, because the way I cut it with my hand is not as accurate as the machine. So it's just plus and minus maybe 50,000 of an inch or something like that. So I decided to custom make them. You can see that I number these according to the slot number on the car. So that way I can just make all of this at one time and then weld it to the car. Finally done. It took me literally all day to get all those recesses on there, but it looks great. I'm very happy with it. It's getting late, so I'm gonna just call it for the day, and tomorrow same thing on the other side. Well guys, it's 7 a.m. in the morning. A little bit too early to disturb the piece, so I guess we're gonna have to do some light duty work. I'm gonna try to draw out the pattern just like the other side. Then we're gonna shut the garage door and do plasma cutting, that way not creating so much noise that it's gonna wake them up. And then after that, probably later on in the day, where I'm gonna start doing grinding and things like that. So we're gonna be nice to the neighbors today, not disturbing the piece too much. Hopefully I can get this side done by the end of the day, and then move on to the next task. Not sure what that is yet. We'll let you guys know by the end of today. I didn't get as much done as I thought I would. Almost there. I got all the recesses put in. It's just a matter of grinding them. I got more than half of them ground. Still working on 4 of these recesses. So tomorrow I'm gonna get this done part of the morning, and then we'll move on to something else. My plan for tomorrow, after getting these done, is to bring the hood over from the other side of the trailer and try to get it fitted where it's supposed to go. I had some alignment issues earlier, a few months ago, when I built the hood. So I want to try to resolve all that situation with a misalignment, and then I'm gonna mount the hinges on, get it welded on. So I'm gonna start flipping the hood up and down, get the alignment all corrected. It's gonna be really cool to get that hood in there, so you guys can actually see what the truck looks like. So that's the plan for tomorrow. Not sure I'm gonna get all that done, but that's what I wanted to achieve by the end of the day tomorrow. It's getting late in the afternoon, so I'm gonna call it for the day. I'm gonna wrap up this video and post it so you guys can see what I've done for the last couple of days. I really appreciate you guys tuning in to KT Garage and following this build. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.